Hey everyone, want to watch Peacock on Spectrum without paying extra? Here's how it works in under a minute. If you have a Spectrum TV Select, Silver, or Gold package, Peacock Premium is often already included with your subscription. You just need to activate it. Start by opening the Peacock app or visiting Peacock's website and choose the option that says Sign in with Spectrum. Enter your Spectrum username and password, and your accounts will link automatically. Once that's done, Peacock Premium unlocks instantly, no separate billing, no extra charges. After linking, you can watch Peacock through the Peacock app on devices like Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, smart TVs, phones, tablets, or even directly through supported Spectrum receivers. As long as you have a stable internet connection around 25 megabits per second for smooth HD streaming, you're good to go. This bundled access is part of Spectrum's push to combine live TV and streaming into one experience, making it easier to watch shows, movies, sports, and originals all in one place.